Hey everybody, we're here at Murphy Hanrehan Park Reserve. It's south of the Twin Cities, Minnesota. I found a loop here. It's about 6.1 miles. We're just getting started. Should take a couple hours, maybe 2 hours. It's a pretty nice day. It's about 38 degrees, I believe it was. It's pretty nice. Well, this is kind of neat. Just found this. Only been hiking for like 10-15 minutes, but it's a little lean-to structure here. I see these sometimes. I'm always curious who built them. Like, is it a homeless guy? Was it some kids? Maybe a bear? Nah. I don't know, pretty cool. This place is kind of amazing. It's not a bird sanctuary technically, but it is in its own right. There's birds everywhere. I've seen tons of bluebirds before, but I've never seen flocks. There's like flocks of bluebirds here. It's crazy. I've seen several of these. I'm not sure what oak wilt is or how they control. I don't know what oak wilt control is. If anyone knows, leave it in the comments below. I'd be very curious to find out what that is. Cool. Beaver Dam. A little trail across the Beaver Dam. Pretty cool. See plenty of these on the North Shore, but it's kind of odd to see one this close to the cities here. We're only about 20 minutes 25 minutes maybe from Minneapolis, downtown Minneapolis. In a town called Prior Lake, I believe is where we were at. Yeah. It's good to see there's still beavers this close to the city. Stumbled across this. I don't know if you can even see it, but I don't know what this is. If anyone knows what this is, you should comment below and let us know. It's really weird, all these little flags posted all over in the forest. And there's a whole square of them here. It's just like a mass of flags. And off in the distance, I can see like more down there. I don't know if you can see it there, but it's just like a, I don't know. Let us know in the comments if you know what that is. We're really curious. Alright, so here we are at the parking lot. It was 6.1 miles and it took me 2 hours and 28 minutes. Not the fastest, but I stopped and looked at a lot of things. I went off trail actually a couple of times and checked some stuff out, like those flags, and Beaver Dam was really cool. Oh, this is a nice place. There are a couple other loops I could do here that I might come back and do them again, because this was a pretty nice place, besides all the gunshots. Other than that, happy trails.